All right, right at the top of this video here about the Costco Wholesale car insurance thing going around here on YouTube, which looks like it's not legitimate at all. There are a lot of car insurance scams going around right now on the internet as a whole, from what I'm seeing. I'm a full-time reporter on another website. This is my personal YouTube channel, and I want to inform you about what's going on with this. You know, I see a lot of car insurance scams these days on TikTok, Meta, whatever, because they allow scams despite saying they don't. They accept money for scams, but they have policies saying they don't allow them, but you know, whatever. They accept money anyway. Look up a Reuters report recently talking about how there were 15 billion scam ads. That's what the Reuters article said. 15 billion scam ads being shown to users daily. Meta pushed back on that. There's a PR statement, but they still accept money for scams. They accept money for scams, rather. And this, unfortunately, is happening here on YouTube. Save up to $550 a year on car insurance. Costco Wholesale. Costco has nothing to do with this. As you can see, it claims you're going to get liability insurance for $15.99 a month, an amazing price. Full coverage, $24.99 a month. Why not just go for that, right? And it says it comes from carinsurancedealz.info, which is the hint this is not going to be something that's going to be legitimate. And let's go take a look at what this is. All right, so looking at the ads here, you can see it's called Promostar Private Limited. And where is it based? India. Does that sound like that's going to be Costco to you? No, it doesn't. These are the people running the ads. And they're running several ads for Costco here. Lots of them. Look at all the variations of ads. It's really, really unfortunate. And they go to a number of different websites. And I've seen this before, and I think I know exactly what this sort of thing is going to end up being. It's got State Farm here too. They're claiming State Farm's going to offer the same prices on the left there as Costco, and other companies probably too, right? If we keep going, but we don't need to keep looking. So you can see here, this one specifically went to carinsurancedealz.info, and deals ends with a Z. It says, stop overpaying for auto insurance. Are you currently insured? Let's say yes. And then enter a zip code, enter a fake one. All right, there's a random one. Quotesforallonline.com is where it took me. I'm just going to put in any vehicle here. I don't know, whatever. I have that. And then am I currently insured? Sure. Let's say I'm with Allstate, whatever, or like, I don't know, Farmers. Continue. We can say continue. Let's choose a random date of birth. How old am I going to be? I'm pretty old. Look at that. Continue. And then any name, Barbara Buttface. That sounds pretty good to me. Continue. Street address, just gotta come up with something random. 123 Main Street. And email address, blah, @gmail.com. If you scroll down, I don't need to put a phone number in. Here's the whole point of all this from what I can tell. Let me zoom in. So normally if I zoom out to 100%, that text is tiny right there, right? But if we zoom in, we can see exactly what's going on. By clicking view rates, you're providing your electronic signature and giving your express written e-sign consent to receive marketing and informational communications regarding, basically you're giving your information away. You're going to receive calls, texts, emails, whatever. Marketing partners, boom. And look, you're going to give your information, and then the people behind this are going to give your information potentially to all these different companies. Is apparently what they're doing, marketing partners. Does that sound good to you? I don't think that sounds good to me. They might get a commission if you buy insurance, something like that. But you don't need to go through all this, especially from something coming from India claiming to be Costco. Costco has nothing to do with this car insurance stuff. That is a lie. I'm sure Costco doesn't like the fact that it's on there. You might be wondering, why isn't Costco take it down? I don't know. There are so many scams online, and there's not enough that the government's doing. Any government under any president has never done enough. Right now, Meta, specifically hosts thousands and thousands of scams all the time. They accept money for them. It's terrible. I rant about it all the time. Don't fall for these car insurance scams. If you want to shop around, don't fall for these websites that say, hey, we'll shop around for you. They're not doing that for free, right? They're going to do that because they want your information. Maybe they're going to sell it to third parties. Just go to different car insurers in your town and just get quotes that way. It might take a little longer, but then you won't be selling your information to people, giving it away, especially to people in India. I don't know what this is. So like, comment, subscribe. Thanks button is down below. The join button is big down below. Tap that, and thank you for watching.